Vice President Sara Duterte says she's not bothered by the possibility of losing her post by impeachment. What matters most, she says, is her desire to serve the public, whether she's vice president or not.
Alam nyo naman na hindi ko gusto maging president. Kaya nga ako hindi tumakbo noong 2022. Lalo na vice president, kaya nga ako tumakbong mayor noong 2022. So para sa akin, kung manatili akong vice president, well and good. Mas marami pa akong matutulungan through the office of the vice president. Kung hindi man din ako maging vice president, okay lang din.